Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how we can add a Microsoft account in Windows 11 PC. So let's get started. First of all, click on your start menu here and click on settings. Click on accounts. Click on your info. And as you can see here, right now I'm logged in as a local account. So you can see local account here. So under account settings, you can see an option here, sign in with the Microsoft account instead. So click on this option. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can go ahead and type in your email address. If you do not have one yet, you can see an option to create one here. So you can click this and create an account. Since I already have a Microsoft account, I'm going to type it in here. And click on next. Type in your email password. Click on sign in. Now you have to type in your current Windows password. So this is your local account password, not email password. Type it in and click on next. Now as you can see here, you can see my email address instead of local account. So after you reboot your computer, you will be able to log in with your online account instead of your local account. So this is how we can add a Microsoft account in Windows 11 PC.